Okay, here we go. Here we go again. This time it's
Hold still.
round 2. We got our friend Craig. He's coming to. We told him that our garage door. We left the garage door open, so he's going to come shut it. We've got the garage door remote, and every time he jumps over, we're going to hit the button so it goes back up. Thanks, Craig. All right, here he comes. Round 1.
You're not. I know what you're doing.
What are we doing? We are watching this.
Here he goes.
Oh, here he comes.
Look at him run. I love that Jeff walked and then now Craig's run. It's fun to see everybody's door cooking method.
Okay. Let's see if we got some better hops.
He's gonna sprint this time. I would probably fall and break my tailbone.
All right, round 3. Here we go.
Oh, his shorts! He lifted up his shorts. If he's looking. He's like, okay, what crap do I do? I know. Imagine he's gonna start running.
He's looking at the He's looking at the boat trailer. I think it's the boat trailer.
So good. Okay, but no, Ava. Sorry, you can put it. No, she's just Ava. She can
All right, round 3. Here he comes. Good skills. Good skills.
Oh man.
He played basketball today. He was with the basketball. And the basketball sock. Yeah. Because he knew he was going to be running and hurling.
Let's see what you got, Craig.
He's going to steal a soda too.
Yeah.
Wait, where's he going?
He's going to the fridge now.
He is taking a while. What is he doing?
He's stealing a soda.
I think he's probably checking the door to see if he can go in the house.
Where'd he go?
He's stealing something.
He left his truck door open like he was going to get out of there in a hurry.
There we go. Truck door's open.
Well,
What's
he's
he
gone a long
doing?
time.
Dude, is he still on my tools?
I hope
That
not.
would be hilarious.
That would be awesome. He comes out with like a
We
hammer.
probably wouldn't post that one. We give that one to the bishop.
He's gonna call you.
Here he is. Here. You got it, buddy? You got it.
Oh,
See his jump?
that was the jump.
Oh, he's gonna break in.
He thinks we're poking him.
He does.
Yep, he's trying to get on.
He does.
No, he didn't.
Yeah.
Yep, he's looking for
He's looking.
somebody.
That was great. That was a jump.
Shoot, we better really hold
He totally
Yep.
thinks we're punking him.
Yeah.
I bet you he went and listened at the door. Do you think?
Oh. Whoa! Shoot.
Oh, he's gonna make sure it closes. I'm gonna let it close. I'll let it close. We'll work him through this. You can't outsmart us.
He can't outsmart us.
I'm glad you're doing it. I would have done it. I would have been there.
Is someone in the truck with him?
Oh, he came out there. He came out
Oh,
the
he's
back.
so smart.
How do you do that?
Oh my god!
He won. No.
Look at him. Look around. He's looking around.
He's totally gonna know. He's calling you. He's calling you.
What are you gonna
He
say?
knows you're punking him.
Look at his.
Don't answer.
Yeah, I can tell. Shh, everyone be quiet.
Why'd you tell him? Have him come over here and do it. Wait.
All right.
Oh, he's driving away.
You gotta tell him he drove all the way here and he figured it out. So.
Yeah.
Man, we're stupid. All of us combined.
Wait, what is he gonna say to you? He's not doing it.
He's looking out his back window.
Hey, how's it going, man? Is it still there? Dude, tell me it's still there. Are you? Oh, dude, you know what? Sometimes it does that. If you jump it, and then on the other side of the garage, as it's going down, just put your hands on it and kind of help coast it down in place. It does that even when just regularly. So jump the beam, and then use your hands to just kind of pull it down. There are handles on it, so sometimes I have to actually physically use the handle, even when I'm not jumping the beam. I just have a crappy garage, dude. So if you literally just jump the beam, then turn around, and then you use your hands to just kind of coast it down. Because what's happening is the wheels are getting kind of bound on the track. Every once in a while it happens. So, but literally just jump it, turn around, and grab the handles, and it'll slide in like butter. Okay. Was it going up for, like it might have got bound at the end of that, man? I don't know. Just try to do put your hands on it. If it doesn't work, let me know, and maybe I'll just have you hide the bike or something. That sucks, dude. Sorry, man. All right, later.
Good job.
Buy us another rat.
Well, you have to throw in the, it's okay.
Look at him.
Still looking for you.
He is. You shouldn't have done that last one. Because that's
Well,
what
then he would have driven away.
Yeah, it
We
would
couldn't
have
milk
been
this.
fun.
Yeah.
He's smart.
Who
He
cares
went
if
through the doggy door.
Look, he is looking for everybody. Look at that. He went through the dog door.
Yeah.
Why did we not have a camera in there?
Oh my gosh.
Oh my
I'm
gosh.
gonna let him close it.
Honey, just let him do it.
Oh, so good,
No.
Craig. Thank you.
Yeah.
What? No,
Just let him
twice. At least twice a day.
No,
I'll try
again.
to let it go up as it's almost down. He'll be
He's
close,
gonna go through
almost
the
down.
dog door this time.
Here goes.
No, look. It's gonna be successful.
Pull it, let
yeah,
watch.
he's got it.
Oh my gosh.
He's got it.
Let him do it. Let him do
That's
it.
so mean.
Okay, I'll let him do it.
You're a liar.
No.
Look at him.
You are so mean.
Okay, now this time let him do it. Next time let him
Let
get
him
it.
do
Okay.
it.
Let him get it.
Okay.
Look at him push the boat.
This is the best one ever.
Okay, let him get it. I love it. It's like,
He'll get it.
it's
And I'm
cute.
actually gonna get it. You can come over me on this.
The kids are downstairs now, and I have no idea.
Oh my
He's
gosh.
gonna get him?
Yeah.
No.
Look at him.
Look at that.
Look how hard he's
Kelly, you
pulling.
should have just come out on this porch and been like,
He is gonna break our door. Look at him.
Ah. Oh my gosh.
oh yeah.
Open up that door for me. Oh my gosh.
Say it, Greg. What's up?
Hi, Craig.
Hello! Woo!
Move your car though. It's called the next week though.
Yeah, move your car in the next court.
Thanks, Craig. That was great.